Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn colors and shapes using a Play-doh. But first, we're going to count how many colors we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 colors. They look strange, aren't they? Oh, all the colors don't match. Let's change the position of the balls so they can match the position of the bananas. Are you guys ready to do it with me? Let's do it together. First, I have an orange ball. Now let's find orange banana. Is this orange, guys? No. Is this orange? No. Is this orange? Yes, it is. Okay, I'm going to put this orange right there. And now we have a blue ball. Let's keep going. Is this blue? No. Is this blue? Yes, it is. Okay, I'm going to put this blue ball right underneath the blue bananas. Now I have purple ball. Now let's keep going. Is this purple? No. Is this purple? Yes, it is. Great. Now we have a red ball. Let's go find the red bananas. That is orange, and it is red. This is red banana. I'm going to take this ball out and put the red ball right underneath. So we only have the pink ball left. And I'm going to put the pink ball right underneath the pink bananas. Now we're ready to make some shapes. Here I have a pink ball and a pink banana. I'm going to squish them together. Okay. I'm going to flatten this out. Guess the shape of the animal that I have on my hand. Did you guys get it? Yes, it's a giraffe. Giraffe. And we're going to make a shape of giraffe using a pink compound here. Are you guys ready? Great! Wow! This is so cool, guys! So I have turned a pink ball and a pink banana into a pink giraffe. Pink giraffe! Great! Now let's do the purple ball and the purple banana. We're going to squish them together. And flatten them out. I'm going to use the giraffe shape. Really cool! Now I have a purple giraffe. I turn a purple ball and the purple bananas into a purple giraffe. Great! Next I have an orange ball and an orange banana. Let's squish them together. Here's a new giraffe. I have an orange giraffe now. So I turn an orange ball and orange bananas into a orange giraffe. Yay! Good job, guys. Next up, I have a red ball and red bananas. Let's put them together. Great! Now I have a red giraffe. Red giraffe. Because I turned a red ball and red bananas into this red giraffe. Good! Lastly, I have a blue ball and blue banana. Let's squish them together. Okay. Here I have a blue giraffe. Blue giraffe. Because I turned a blue ball and blue bananas into a blue giraffe. Great! Okay guys, our giraffe is ready to go and play. Let's count how many giraffes we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is a pink giraffe. This is a purple giraffe. This is orange. This is red giraffe. And blue giraffe. Good job, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.